Hello, this is Sushmita. Welcome back to my channel Chitrakarma. So first of all, thank you so much guys for watching my videos. And also, if you are watching me for the first time, then I must let you know that if you are interested in arts, crafts, DIY haul, interesting makeovers and vlog life, then you are in the right channel. Congratulations for that. Please do subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. And also press the bell icon here to get regular updates from this channel. So um now let's talk about this video. I'm so excited to talk about this video, guys.
I'm so excited
To talk about this video, guys. In this video, I'm gonna make a beautiful wall hanging, and for that wall hanging I'm gonna make a 3D floral painting, guys. Yes, you heard it right, it's 3D floral painting. It's a kind of junk floral painting, you can say. And now I can't wait more to show you the process. Now without further delay, let's just hop into this video. So here I am taking this canvas board and I will draw a rough sketch with my Apsara pencil. After I complete this, I will now take the molded clay and will quickly mix two compositions that you will find in the box itself and make a dough out of it. So after I get the perfect dough, I will now slowly and steadily give them the shape of my flowers and leaves and will stick them with the help of Fevicol onto my board. And this is how you can make flower petals. This is very easy, guys. It just looks tough, but it's actually very easy. So please give it a try. Guys, to avoid stickiness, do not forget to use talcum powder. And here I am using this Oriflame talcum powder, which is very costly actually, but I did not have any choice. Always use Johnson or Pond's powder, but Johnson is actually very good for this clay material, so go for Johnson powder always. Yeah, and it's completed. I have kept it aside for one whole night to make it full dry, and guess what? It's completely dry right now. So to start with coloring, firstly I'm going to give a layer of camel's texture white with my flat brush. So after I'm done with this, now I will quickly move on to coloring. Now I will make various shades of green to color my leaves. So here I am mixing yellow, green and white color to get another shade of green, which is parrot green. Now starting with the flowers, here I am mixing yellow and red color to get a peach color to apply onto my pistil of a flower. And now I am mixing pink with white color to get a pastel pink color. Beautiful color taste. Trust me guys, I'm really enjoying the process. At the color, and now it's a chalk paint yellow color. To get this color you can also mix yellow with white color to get this pastel yellow color. And now I am mixing yellow color with pink color to get a beautiful shade of pink, and this I will apply onto another flower. I will color the background of the painting, which is the heart of the painting, with this bright sky color. You can also get this color by mixing blue with lots and lots of white. Now I will start giving life to this painting by adding shades and highlights to all the objects of this painting. To show highlights and shades, I am using darker shades of pre-applied colors. Now in the background I am using dark blue color to show the shadow. Now some white to show the highlights. To give some more detailing and to give it a junk look, I am adding these parts. Here I am applying pastel yellow color at some points, but this part is completely optional. I must say guys, this is one of those paintings I enjoyed the most and can never forget the process. So guys, this is the end result. Guys, this is actually looking a junk painting. You can see here. Oh my god, this is actually looking very beautiful. I'm so in love with this. I am thinking to decorate it here in this wall so that my background looks like this. This is so colorful. And I really hope you guys have also liked this. If you are thinking to recreate it, then you are most welcome. Sorry for the noise. Then you are most welcome, but you must tag me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle will be linked in the description box below. And yes, I would love to see your recreated piece. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the thumbs up button, comment down your views on it, and also you can request me some art pieces what you want to see next. I would love to make that as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do it. And yes, see you in the next video. Ta-ta.